Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Bluetooth connected but no sound on iPhone or Android. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to make sure your phone volume or device volume are both turned on. Sometimes your speaker or headphones have their own volume control, so double check that too. After that, go ahead and simply open up settings. Inside here, simply tap on Bluetooth. And just like that inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the eye icon next to your connected device. Then tap on Forget this device. Now put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode and reconnect again. This fixes most connection glitches. Now after that, you need to go ahead and simply turn off both your iPhone and your Bluetooth device, then turn them back on. This refreshes the connection and clears temporary bug. After that, inside settings, tap on General. Scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just like that, tap on Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings. This removes any old or broken Bluetooth device connection. And finally, connect your Bluetooth device to another phone, laptop, or tablet. If it still has no sound, the issue might be with your speaker or headphone themselves. That's it. Try these steps and your Bluetooth sound should be working again. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.